We are in central London because Lee Nesbit, who's working just over there, has just won himself a fantastic Rolex watch with BOTB. I've messaged him and he's coming to meet us in the park. Lee?
I was not expecting this today.
Well, I got a little microphone, so I'm going to put that on you. Sorry to drag you out of work.
No,
I'm sorry for the
more
mysterious text messages. But we were in kind of chats with your wife, who I know is your surprise contact. And she said, he's in London today, because usually you're based down in...
Eastbourne, yeah, at home.
Eastbourne, yeah. So she said, he's in London, but give him a text and he might come out. And I won't share what Lee...
No might.
I won't share what Lee replied to me saying, by the way, we might have some good news because it's, well, we can't put it on telly. However, I do have some very good news for you. It's in this very special...
Can't swear, yep.
Rolex box. Lee, I'm pleased to say, you've just won yourself a brand new Rolex GMT-Master II, nicknamed Batgirl.
Yeah.
Because of the Jubilee
bracelet, yeah. Wow.
Market value of this at the moment is £16,000.
Yeah.
Why this watch for you?
Love it. I've got 40th coming up, 10th anniversary, so I was saving for a nice watch, but it wouldn't have been that nice. So yeah, it's just mind-blowing. Well, absolutely mind-blowing.
As we've got this one here, do you want to try it on?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's put this on.
Jesus.
Such a cool looking watch, isn't it?
It's an absolute stunner, isn't it? Yeah, do a bit of window shopping.
A 40th present for you.
It is now, yes. Jesus. Just, yeah, wow.
I can see your hand actually shaking a bit. So with a watch like this, do you think you'd wear this every day, just special occasions? Have you even ever thought about what it would be like to win one of these?
Not sure. Got to get my steps in on my Apple Watch, but maybe I'll just save that for the gym.
Yeah, okay, fine, yeah.
Watches is to be worn, right? It's not going in a safe, that's for sure.
Well, the market value is probably only going to go up and up, so... It's a fantastic watch.
Yeah.
When we were chatting to your wife on the phone earlier, who's your surprise contact, first thing she said is this real?
Yeah.
I said, well, look, here's a lot of details I know about your husband. And she went, okay, yeah. And that sounds like him, because you said she'll know exactly where I am at any given point. And she said, yes, well, I do know. He's in London working today.
And?
Got to give you a bottle of champagne
Yeah,
as well.
she can have that for sure. Incredible. Thank you so much.
Yeah, for keeping it a secret. Yeah.
Wow. Jesus.
Well done.
Thanks, mate.